Hello everyone, welcome back to Nomo Studio. So in this video, we will be adding and subtracting dissimilar fractions involving word problems. Magagamit nyo po ito sa anumang government examinations, especially sa career service exam, pen and paper test. By the way, kung hindi nyo pa po na-install yung ating mobile application, you can search sa Google Play Store, Nomo App CSE Reviewer. So without any further ado, simulan na po natin. Number 1. John has 1/4 of a pizza and his friend Maria has 2/3 of a pizza. How much pizza do they have in total? Again, si John daw may 1/4 na pizza. At yung kaibigan niyang si Maria ay may 2/3 na pizza. Ilan daw yung kabuuang pizza mayroon sila? So of course, we just simply add 1/4 and 2/3. So ngayon, ito po ay dissimilar fractions. Magkaiba sila ng denominators, 4 and 3. Again, yung mga nasa ilalim yan yung denominators. Yung nasa ibabaw naman ang tawag dyan mga numerators, 1 and 2. So ngayon, since magkaiba sila ng mga denominators, we need to get the least common denominator for us to solve this. So para ma-solve po natin, di ba, makuha muna dapat natin yung LCD. Ngayon, to get first the LCD, we just simply list down first all the multiples of 3 and multiples of 4. So multiples of 3, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and so on. Multiples of 4, we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on. So ang kunin muna natin is yung least common multiple. Tingnan nyo po kung ano yung common nila. We have 12, common sila kay 12, common sila kay 24, at marami pa yung iba. Pero ang kukunin lang po natin is yung least, yung pinakamaliit na common multiple nila, which is 12. So therefore, ito na yung gagamitin natin as LCD or least common denominator. Now, meron na tayong LCD na 12 at ang pagsagot po dito is ganito. 12 divided by 4 and that is equal to 3 times 1 and that is equal to 3. Again, 12 divided by 4 that is 3 times 1 that is 3. Dito naman, 12 divided by 3 that is 4 times 2 and that is equal to 8. We just simply copy the operator of addition. Next, 8 plus 3, that is 11. Then just simply copy the denominator, which is 12. So the answer is 11 over 12, which is letter B. So ganyan lang po kadali mag-add ng dissimilar fractions. Next, number 2. Anna read 1/5 of a book on Monday and 3/4 of the same book on Tuesday. What fraction of the book did she read in total? So again, i-add lang po natin si 1/5 and 3/4. And to solve that, let's first get the least common denominator or LCD. Para makuha naman po natin si LCD, i-list down muna natin yung multiples of 4 and multiples of 5. After that, kunin ang least common multiple or yung common nila. Pinakamaliit, least common multiple, which is 20. So 20, ito na yun ngayon yung LCD na gagamitin natin. So 20 divided by 5, that is 4, times 1, and that is simply 4. Next, 20 divided by 4, that is 5, times 3, that is 15. So 4 plus 15, that is 19, and simply copy the denominator, which is 20. So the answer is 19 over 20, which is letter A. Next, number 3. A recipe calls for 2/5 cup of milk and 3/8 cup of water. How much liquid is needed in total? So again, i-add lang po natin si 2/5 and 3/8. So 2/5 plus 3/8. So again, kunin muna natin ang least common denominator. And to get that LCD, i-list down muna natin ang multiples of 5 and multiples of 8. So these are the multiples of 5 and these are the multiples of 8. So again, tingnan po natin kung ano yung least common, pinakamaliit na common multiple nila, which is 40. Okay? So 40, ito na yun ngayon yung gagamitin natin as LCD or least common denominator. So 40 divided by 5 and that is equal to 8 times 2, and that is equal to 16. Next, 40 divided by 8, and that is equal to 5, times 3, and that is equal to 15. So 16 plus 15, and that is equal to 31, and copy the denominator, which is 40. So we have 31 over 40, and that is letter A. Next, dito naman tayo sa subtracting dissimilar fractions involving word problems. So first problem, we have Nina practiced piano for 5/7 or 5/7 of an hour but spent only 2/5 of the time playing scales. How much time did she spend playing pieces? So ngayon, ang gagawin po natin is to subtract 2/5 kay 5/7. So therefore, 5/7 minus 2/5. So get the LCD. Again, para makuha muna natin si LCD, list down all the multiples of 5 and multiples of 7. At tingnan po natin yung least common multiple nila. Tingnan natin, ano yung common nila? Yes, 35. Ito na yung pinakamaliit na common multiple ni 5 and 7. So ito yung gagamitin natin ngayon as least common denominator or LCD. So let's operate 35 divided by 7, and that is equal to 5 times 5, and that is simply 25. Copy the operator, subtraction. Next, 35 divided by 5, and that is equal to 7 times 2, and that is equal to 14. 25 minus 14, and that is simply 11, and copy the denominator, which is 35. So the answer is letter C. So actually, magkapareho lang si addition and subtraction of dissimilar fractions. Yung operator lang yung nabago, pero same process lang po sila. Next, number 2. Samantha had 3/4 of a tank of gas. After driving, she found she had only 1/3 of the tank left. How much gas did she use? So let's subtract 1/3 kay 3/4. So 3/4 minus 1/3, again, LCD muna. So least common denominator. And to get that, list down first the multiples of 3 and multiples of 4. So multiples of 3, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and so on. Multiples of 4, we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on. Again, yung least common multiple ni 3 and 4 is simply 12. Ito yung pinakamababa na common multiple ni 3 and 4. At ito na yung gagamitin natin ngayon as LCD. So 12 divided by 4, that is 3, times 3, that is 9. 12 divided by 3, that is 4, times 1, that is 4. So 9 minus 4, that is simply 5. Then copy the denominator, which is 12. So the answer is letter C, 5/12.